All right, guys, welcome back to Walton Technology. We do have the Clicks keyboard to do a quick review for today. So we're going to go ahead and slide my iPhone 16 Pro down in there, just like I showed you a second ago. And then we're going to go ahead and launch the Clicks app. Now, it is telling us a little bit of a directive here on what you need to do to slide it in. So we already did that. Then it's showing you how to remove it if you need to. Teaching you how to hold it down here, pretty simple. And then it is going to teach you some keys. So this is kind of helping your iPhone get set up to actually use there. So we're going to press numbers, 1, 2. So we have to hold numbers down, looks like. 1, 2. See, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 1, 2. So it's wanting us to press the numbers key down and press 7. So we did that. Now it wants us to hit the capitals key and plus J. So we're going to hit the shift key, J, and then we're going to hit the symbols key and exclamation point. And then we're going to press that so we can see. We're going to press the, okay, and we're going to press the up symbol to get the keyboard to come up and emojis. So we've got that all set up. Up, and emoji. Need to go down. All right. And we're all set up. Now you can choose to have it dim or bright. The timeout for the keyboard, so it's on 5 seconds, and the brightness is 100. Probably kind of hard for you to see that. There's off. There's on. Probably kind of hard for you to see that here in the light. I'm sure there you can see it. Off, on, and then you can set the brightness of the keyboard on here. So we're going to go ahead and check out these other settings. So you do have some other settings here you can do. Idle timeout, you can set up keys, you can turn on caps lock all the time. So it does have several different features. And then you can go ahead and hit check firmware. There's a firmware update ready, but we're not going to do that right now. So we're just going to go to Google and just try it out. So we're just going to Google turkey. It's that time of the year. We'll just Google turkey. And then we did Google turkey. When we just hit the enter button here, it is very light. It's surprisingly light. It does add your iPhone to have quite a length to it, but it's not game changing where you can't handle it. It's kind of like having a BlackBerry again, except for you gain a big part of your iPhone screen back. So I really have used it now for about a week, and I'm pleasantly surprised with it. It is a different feeling to just, start typing on the keyboard itself, but you can do a lot of useful things with it. It saves you a lot of time if you're into having the clicks. I quite enjoy it. Now, of course, I'm not going to use it all the time, but when I know I'm going to be typing a lot and I'm on the go for a business trip or something, then I do use it. So far, I'm definitely going to keep it. When I first got it, I thought, well, I'm not sure if I like this. And then 2 days into it, I just can't live without it. So as you can see, the keyboard lights up when you touch it, and then within 5 seconds, it disappears. But that is just a quick overview of it. We're going to do another in-depth video showing you guys all of the in-depth settings of what you can do. And like I said before, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for checking in on Walton Technology.